Okay, Marky. So, thoughts on this volume here? Let's have a look at it. Um, it's an interesting volume. Yeah, no question about it. Now, I would imagine that it is some selling pressure from having. Look at these 3-day candles. I mean, it's the most 3-day candles in its history. I would suspect that it's, some sort of a take profit from all of this, and this should maybe create some sort of consolidation pattern before moving up. I would think that the FTX should eventually go to new highs. Can it dip down? Can price dip down below this? Well, if it does, I would look for a bit of a buy point, probably down here below it. That's, I don't know if you're already in this or not. I would keep an eye out. You can imagine, like, if we go back here, we had a very similar circumstances when we created this giant red volume candle, but it was after 7, 8 green days to the upside, green 3-day candles to the upside, not counting this. Like, if you didn't count this little red one and this red one, there was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in a row, and these two little things. And then you get the large volume, you get the large sell off. There was eventually, if you look at it there, it was a perfect stop hunt below this low, right in here. So that's kind of what I would expect. And then the continuation to the upside. That's what I would be expecting here. Now, it might not come straight away, but this selling pressure is a sign that that it needs cooling off potentially, and it needs to maybe form a range and a consolidation. So I will actually set an alarm here myself. So I would suggest setting an alarm below this, and if it does dip below that, and if we get the similar stop hunt, that's when you'd be looking to buy this from here and for that next leg higher. So that's ideally how it should work from here.